Surpresahin ko si Madit sa ulam namin. Yung ulam namin ay
You sing it, hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home.
cook chicken for her. And then chicken feet. Yan. Surpresahin natin ang reaction ni Martin kung ano yung reaction niya. And Martin, it's time to eat. No, we will eat first, okay? Later na yan, okay? We will keep lollipop if we eat, okay? Ano ba yan? Ano mo? Okay, we will eat na. Okay. Sit down here. We will eat. Okay? We will eat. Okay, tika muna. Ito yung ano mo. You will eat? Huh? Why you don't like to eat? You will eat na. Huh? Parang lollipop. Diyan naman ang lollipop. You will eat nga? Okay, just wait there. I will get ulam.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, just wait.
Mommy, here it is.
Here.
Here.
It's okay lang.
It's slide.
Here is your ulam. Here. You like to eat this one?
No. I
What's this? Huh?
No, it's lollipop.
What's this?
Lollipop.
No. You will eat first that one. Okay?
Lollipop. Lollipop.
You will eat first.
Oh, it's so hot.
So you will eat. Go there, go.
Okay, Mom.
One chicken feet. Oh, where's the camera? Here. You want that?
Jellyfish.
Oh! Wow! Marin will eat the chicken. Ano ba ito? Dami, chicken feet. Like that? You. Marin will eat the chicken feet. Oh, shoo. Di ba yung ganit masarap to? Di ba masarap?
Yeah.
Sarap, di ba?
Yes.
Maano siya, gilagyan ko siya ng pork and beans. You see? Masarap?
No.
No? No. Masarap yan.
No.
Why?
No.
Hello everyone. Chicken ngayon ni Madden. Di ba? First time niya kumain ng chicken feet.
No.
You like this?
No.
Why?
No.
You like this one?
No. Okay. No.
Why?
No.
You eat na? Sarap
No.
guys. Kasi linagyan ko siya ng pork and beans. Pero kumakain siya, oh. Pero nagluto ako ng ano niya. Para sa kanya. Yan.
No. No.
You like this one?
Chicken?
Yung chicken?
Not the deep chicken.
You want feet or this one? You like this?
No.
Wow, you count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four? For what?
No number.
No number. 1, 2, 3, 4. You like this one? You like this one? Okay. Oh, you eat na? yan, yung fit, yung di yan chicken, yung chicken yan. Meat, chicken meat. Diba masarap? Tagal na akong hindi nag-upload sa YouTube ko kasi, demonetize siya. Pero maayos din naman yan kasi mayroon lang akong inaayos na bagong channel ko. Tapos ililink ko siya sa bagong AdSense. Yun po. So for now, yung vlog ko ngayon, yes, I'm doing something. Maingay si mama. Ang gagawin ko ngayon ay yung papatuloy ko yung page namin ni Madin, yung sa Facebook page ko. Marami na rin kami doon nagawang video. Kaya lang, ko yun. I-delete ko yung ibang mga post ko kasi yung side page namin ni Madin, restricted doon kasi yung iba copyright, hindi siya mamomonetize yung page namin kung may copyright siya na reused content. Kaya yung mga content doon, dinilit ko na galing sa YouTube channel ko. Kaya ngayon, purely na lang talaga sa amin na, ano ba? What happened to you?
I think the Rella.
Huh?
Rella.
What Prella?
Rella.
Eat. Basta na yun. Sarap siya, guys.
Cinderella. Cinderella. Ah. Cinderella.
Masarap siya papakin yung chicken kasi na siya, soft na. Kasi matagal ko siyang pinakuluan doon. Yes. Maga pa lang. Diretso na namin to lunch, breakfast saka lunch. 1 feet na yung naubos ko. Feet ba food?
One little One feet. Six on the feet. Six on the feet.
Wait na.
Six on the feet. Six on the feet. Six on the feet. Six on the feet. Six on the feet.
What's this?
Yeah, it's what's that?
Waterfalls. Waterfalls.
Mommy, what's this? Ah!
Chicken feet. Oh! Wait na.
Mommy, what is it?
Yung
Mommy, what is it?
3.
See?
Yes.
No, it's
This one yours. Small for baby. Big glass for mommy. Diba?
no, it's head.
This is hand. And then,
Head.
hand. And then,
Mommy, what is
3.
it?
Yes. T-R-E-E. 3.
No,
3 is number.
six.
3 is a 3.
Six.
What?
Six. Six.
Yes, okay. This one. Ito. Yeah, hey! Hey! Ang niya, ulam niya ito, yung adobo. Yung legs sa kanya. Nagluto lang ako para sa kanya. Yung para sa akin, yung chicken feet kasi gusto ko siya papakin. Ano na minutes na tayo? Mami, mami, mami.
Mom,
Mm.
Mommy, look.
Bite, yes. Bite. Small. One more. Wala. Si Maddie nag-cutics, oh. Si Mika color in your, marker. Marker yan, pentel pen. Nilagay niya sa, katapos niya magsulat-sulat sa sketch word niya. Sketch dito rin sa kanyang dance. Mamma Mia.
Mommy, I want toys.
Here we go again.
Toys.
Mama. How? Okay, dance muna.
Toys.
Dance muna.
I want toys. I want toys. I want toys.
Wait, this toys there. This is, uncle ba yan? Uncle ba yan dito? Parang
I
doon
want
uncle.
toys.
Elbow.
I want toys.
Toys, but toys do you have a lot of toys already.
Huh?
You have a lot of toys now.
Barbie toys.
You have a lot of Barbie na.
I want Barbie doll. Barbie doll.
Ah, I know you like. You like this one. You like this one. I will get you, Martin. I will get you, Martin. I will get you, Martin. You eat me, I'm a zombie. Here we go again, Mama. How can I do you? Hindi na ako magkakanin, yan na lang kakainin ko.
Mama.
Wala tong mga ka-filter guys. Kung ano yung, what you say is what you stand. What?
Hand.
Hand. No, that is not hand. That is chicken.
See?
Chicken feet. Yes.
See?
Yes.
See? See? Feet.
Chicken feet with pork and beans.
I want to feet. The feet. The feet.
Bite na. Bite na. Di know this is, chicken. Wala yan. Hindi yan hot. Hindi. You see? Hindi hot. Ano? Ha? Sige. Coffee. Yung chicken feet daw. Rich daw yan sa collagen. This one is rich in collagen.
Mommy, don't move and cook it.
So many cockroach. Gagawin maraming ipis.
Mommy, don't cook it.
Hindi ko alam kung saan galing yung mga ipis kasi dati walang ipis dito.
Lego. Mommy, Lego.
What's this?
Lego.
Elbow.
Elbow.
Elbow ba?
Elbow. It's the word elbow.
Spell your name.
Name?
Yeah, your name.
Name.
M.
M.
A.
A.
R.
R.
I.
I.
A.
A.
D.
D.
E.
E.
N.
N.
I.
I.
S.
X.
E.
E.
Maria Denise.
L.
Boo. Tap to invite viewers. Ayaw na tap to invite viewers. You know?
It's a rim.
Okay, never mind the viewers. We have 1 million viewers na. 1 million viewers in the house. Okay. Support lang tayo guys. Pag meron kayong mga page, i-message nyo sa akin. Ipapollow ko din kayo. Okay?
Ah! Mommy, what is it in the circle?
Water.
What? No.
Come here na. It is chicken, not the leg.
Water.
Come here. Naglalaro ka na naman. What? Sit down. When you eat, sit down.
It's a up.
What's up? Sit down so you can see so you can sing.
It's a up and down. It's a up
Up and down.
and a up, down.
Maden. Where are you, Maden? I'm going to get you. Maden. Wow. Where are you, Maden? Oh. Hello, Maden. I will eat you. You eat. Bigat ka.
Monster.
Monster? That's a monster.
Monster.
This is the leg, chicken leg. This one is chicken feet. So you eat this one. Diba?
Yeah.
Yeah, chicken leg, diba?
Yeah.
Ilang minutes na tayo? No, don't. Here.
Where's Billy?
Below dito guys. What?
Yeah, I'm thinking of light.
Faster na? Look na here.
No, I believe.
Chicken leg. Puro na yung memory ko na naman. Nakakainis naman. Sige, 5. Walang nagawa tayo. Hindi naman siya natakot si Maden sa chicken feet. Hindi na siya natakot. So, wala na akong memory guys. So,
Mommy,
bye-bye.
it's done.
Maden, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What?
What?
Wow. Where are you, Maden?
Yeah.
Where are you? Where are you? Bye-bye na guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my page. Follow my page guys. Thank you.